Hey guys, Jessica here with Deborah, and I want to give you an update on the Smart Link campaign that we set up, so let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, so I think I set it up maybe about, let's say, 6 hours ago in my time zone, and I really was just curious on whether or not it got approved, and it did, but the problem is it's spent aggressively, and the good thing is it looks like we can get data, right? That's ideally the goal. Another good thing is, even though I probably suck at the ad copy, I guess it's kind of clickbaity because I'm not getting conversions. And again, we're cycling these smart link offers between AdMaven, no, God, not AdMaven, Adverten and CrackRevenue, right? So I guess what we need to do is take a look at why it spent so much so fast, because I didn't have a chance to really optimize anything. And I'm going to probably have to set up rule-based optimization to make sure that the sources are not overspending. Like this $11, I definitely need to pause that. So I wanted to show you guys how to add that, and then we can monitor the rest of the spend throughout the day because I don't want it to rush through the $5 again. So I'm going to come in here, and if a source has more than $5 spend and the ROI is, and I don't have any conversions, I want to go ahead and kill it. So I will add that rule. Oh, minimum spend is $10 for a source. Okay, so I need to go to a target and do it that way. And then like right here, let's see, let's look at our targets. So I would say that these are going to be the combination of the IP addresses within the publisher feed, okay? So you have feeds that have all the websites, so I'd say like probably a group of those targets will equal up to 1190 and so on and so forth. So that's kind of how it adds up. Now, man, do I want, yeah, I'll add one for sources too. So we'll add one for sources. So if a source has more than that in ROI, and then we'll just play around with the rules, right? Because right now I'm just looking at ROI instead of like conversions. Let me see if I can edit that. So like if I show you if it has a conversion rate, if so, yeah, I probably do. Conversion rate is lower than 0%. Yeah, I like that. So I'll monitor this for the rest of the day. Let's hop into volume and just get an idea on what the creatives are doing real quick, because they were actually getting some clicks, all of them. So it's kind of hard to tell one of them more than the other, and I think I know who. But let me just look at a breakdown for you guys. All right, so we are 100% in the red. Spent so far, we're at 23 euros, just like they said. And see if I can drill this down a little bit. So if we go to the offers, oh no, it's not what I want to do at all. Stop it and do it all. So we got the offers. Let's take a look at the source, just to get an idea in here what we're working with. Um, so let's see here. So they're clicking through, that's good. I I mean, there's not really much we can gather, right? Everything just went so fast. So if we go to our targets, try to break it down bit by bit where most of the clicks are coming from, which are a lot, right? Like just for it being how short I had it running. So I'm glad I woke up and set that up. I just want to see if that optimization will help control the spend a little bit so we can try to get some conversions. I will jump into here. CrackRevenue and try to see if I can get some information about the survey. So if we go to the stats here, I don't want to see payout. I do want to see. So I got 4 clicks total. That's what they're telling me. So it's evenly distributed right now with this one. Let's go into Adverten real quick. Well, let's see what country. So it's being filtered to the US somehow, which is fine. And the smart link is getting more. And is it still sticking to tablet or desktop? All of them. So yeah. All right. So if we check the vertical, all of them. So it's 50-50 with this as far as what volume is rotating. Let me go to the stats here, see if I can try to get some details. So this is what I'd be doing on a daily basis. I think this is from my, yeah, this I don't think is giving me anything viable that I can use right now. So that takes care of that. What's this, a 23? Yeah, because it's the 29th now. So I will keep you guys updated. Let me make absolutely sure we have covered everything in volume just so I can give you guys, let's go through hour of day because I did not do any day parting. And let's just see when all of these clicks came in. So they all came in really late at night. And the day hasn't run yet. So we'll come back and check this one, okay? So definitely 11, 9, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh wait, no, that's not late at night. That's early in the morning because of the time of the day. I forgot. So yeah, these are early morning time zones. All right, so this was interesting. I will catch back with you guys and see if we can get somewhere. But I don't want to overspend too much because I would like to see a conversion come through. I'm glad we're getting clicks. That lets me know that I can probably try this whenever I have a lander. Maybe I probably need to do that myself to run some more tests to get an idea of what the pattern should be. But I'll catch you guys in.
Allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.